You are watching Rex MLB. Alright guys, well, like I said, we are going to talk about the Cubs starting rotation and how we can fix it. Wait, do you guys hear that? Oh no! No! Not this again! Warning. Dodgers trade. You guys hear that? Trade. The Dodgers made a new trade. Warning. No, now I have to delay my Cubs video. Well, let's talk about the trade. Well, as you can see, Tyler Glasnow and Manuel McGuire. Anyways, Tyler Glasnow and the guy on the right are now a Dodger, and Manuel, whatever your name is, I'm not too worried about him. He might not be played that much, considered James Outman is going to be in the outfield. Jason Hayward's going to be in the outfield. Maybe they could switch Chris Taylor with him. But, I don't know. Was he an outfielder? I know he can play outfield. He's also third base, but Max Muncy took that. And then Tyler Glasnow is Tyler Glasnow, a Cy Young caliber pitcher. Man. Oh, hey, you want to know what the Rays got for them? They got Johnny DeClue and Ryan Petpot, whatever their names are. What stupid names! I've never heard these guys play before in my entire life. Come on, I have Rays winning World Series in 2023, and now they're not even going to the playoffs next year.
You have reached the end of the video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.